Emma Charlotte Dwyer Watson, born 15th of April 1990, is an English actress and activist, known for her roles in both blockbusters and independent films, as well as her women's rights work. She has received a selection of accolades, including a Young Artist Award and 3 MTV Movie Awards. Watson has been ranked among the world's highest paid actresses by Forbes and Vanity Fair, and was named one of the most 100 influential people in the world by Time magazine in 2015. I've probably earned the right to screw up a few times, is what she said. I don't want the fear of failure to stop me from doing what I really care about. Are you looking for an HST on Tuesday? Are you looking for info about colleges that offer great scholarships and study abroad opportunities? Come check out the presentation from the admissions counselor from Center College on Tuesday during HST in room 196. What do Bruce Willis, Mark Hamill, Renée Zellweger have in common? They were all in drama club. Join ours every Tuesday at lunch in room 223. Joke break. What do horses say when they fall? Giddy up. Club Ed with Youth Alliance at ASB is accepting new and gently used blankets. Please take your blankets to room 341 and tell Mrs. Lemos you are donating. Thank you. Now it's time for the weather with Raisa Ruiz.
The weather seems to finally be warming up, with today having a low of 44 and high of 57, tomorrow having a low of 41, high of 53, Sunday having a low, the next day having a low of 35 and high of 56. Back to Ryan.
Thank you, Raisa. Seniors, the first payment is due today, Monday, December 5th. The grad trip to Disneyland on May 19th and 20th include deluxe round-trip chartered bus transportation, a park hopper ticket, and a private grads-only event from park closing until 11 a.m. until 2 a.m., including a dance club party. All this for an extremely reasonable price of $424 per graduate. Registration and payments are made to GL Travel. Grad trip payments due dates are the non-refundable deposit of $150 that is due December 5th, 2022, and then a payment of $137 that's due January 9th, 2023, and then a final payment of $137 due February 6th, 2023. Congratulations. Congratulations to our Fall Air Jam winners. In the club categories, first place is Rally Club, second place is Velocity, third place is Link Crew. In the class category, we have first place sophomores, second place juniors, third place freshmen, and fourth place seniors. In the competing art category, first place is the 2016 Moosers, second place is the Sarg and Maups, and the third place is the Hollister Hotties. In the community act category, first place went to the 6th graders from Hollister Prep School. I love Hollister Prep School. Over $300 in prizes were awarded that night. Thank you to all the amazing acts that entered. The Bump Fest results are in. Here are your winners. The best truck was Hazel Guardo. Best classic, Tomas Gomez. Loudest exhaust, Austin Underwood. Dirtiest exhaust was Elliot Henningsen. Best system is Yvette Alejandra Mendez. Best paint is Tomas Gomez again. Best interior is Julian Guerin. The best theme was Billy Aviles. Thank you to all that entered and to those who came out to see the cars and trucks. Seniors who are interested in attending the grad trip, first non-refundable grad trip payment is $150 that is due today on Monday, December 25th. Please take GL Travel directly and go. Talk to Miss Doty. She's cool. She's in the Student Payment Center. She can answer any questions you may have. That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching. And remember, go Balers.